Good morning, girls. This is Miss Gasparini with another video for my lovely RPI mathematicians. Today, we are going to review comparing numbers. And remember, review means you talk about something that you already learned. Our terms are less than, greater than, and equal to. And these are the words we use when we're comparing two numbers. I already set up our two numbers as pictures, but what I would like you to do is to tell me what numbers these two pictures represent. So take a look at this number. What number does this picture represent? Yes, it represents 17. I have 110 and 7 ones. So the number this represents is 17. Now let's look at this number. What number does this picture represent? 23. That's right. I have 2 10s and 3 1s. So the number on this side is 23. All right, so I have 17 here and 23 here. And I have to decide whether 17 is less than 23, whether 17 is greater than 23, or whether 17 is equal to 23. So I want you to go ahead and figure this out for me. Is 17 less than 23? Is 17 greater than 23? Or is 17 equal to 23? Now, I think 17 might be greater than 23 because 17 has 7 ones and 23 has 3 ones. But what do you think? Oh, you disagree? Why do you disagree? Oh, because I need to look at the tens too. Okay, let me check that. So I have 110 here. Oh, but over here I have 2 10s. So this one must be the greater number because it has 2 10s, but 17 only has 1 10. And if the 10s are bigger, then it's definitely a bigger number. Okay, so 17 is less than 23. And I'm going to write that in the middle. 17 is less than 23. But here's where I want to ask you something. Is there another way I can show a comparison besides words? Is there another way I can do this? What are those called again? Symbols. That's right. I can use symbols to show a comparison instead of words. So if I don't feel like writing all those words down, I can just do a symbol. I can say less than. Remember, it looks like a mouth. The symbol for that less than kind of looks like a mouth. I can do greater than. Also kind of looks like a mouth wants to eat the bigger number up. And then, whoop, I'm going to erase that. That's a mess. Sometimes Miss Gasparini doesn't know how to draw. All right, let's try again. Who remembers what the equal symbol is? That's right, it's an equal sign. I have to make an equal sign. That looks way better. Okay, so less than, I need to use this symbol. So instead of writing the words, I can just do a less than symbol, just like that. You guys, I think, probably have this down pat. I just wanted to review because it's pretty important. Tomorrow, we're going to go back to adding and subtracting. And I know you're going to do an excellent job. I love you, girls. I miss you, and I can't wait to see you again. Have a nice day.